So what's up? Welcome back to my channel! So for today's video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano nga ba mag-fill in ng PDS or Personal Data Sheet. So, sa lahat ng mga interesado dyan or gustong mag-apply for any government agencies or government institutions, so yung PDS guys, kailangan ito nating i-submit. So, kaya ko to ginawa na video na ito kasi nga, according to the HR o yung yung receiver na yung mga applications natin, ang dami daw mga mali-mali, yung mga kailangan i-fill in, hindi nag-fill in, yung mga kailangan signature, walang signature, yung kailangan lagyan ng date, walang date. So, ginawa ko tong video para turuan ko kayo kung paano nga ba fill in properly and correctly the PDS. So, ituturo ko po yan sa inyo step by step. So, sana wag kayong aalis. So, according to the Memorandum Circular number 16, 2017, it stated that all government employees or officials are required to submit the PDS to the HRMO or the Human Resources Management Officer. So, requirements yan ha. So, wag natin kalimutan yan. So, let's go! So, okay guys, let's continue. So, ano nga ba yung PDS? So, PDS stands for Personal Data Sheet. So, according to Google, provides your biographical and logistic information, including contact information and details such as past places of residence, education, and social or community activities. So, on the right portion of the slides, this is the look of the personal data sheet. So, it must have a CS form 212 revised 2017. So, I will just provide the link on the description box, or you can find this in Google or search in Google. Okay? So, here are some important reminders. So, pipili lang po ako ng tatlong madalas nakakalimutan natin. So first, the PDS may be accomplished using MS Word format or MS Excel format. So, I strongly recommend to use MS Excel format kasi nga madali lang siya i-modify at saka madali ding mag-insert ng picture doon. But if you prefer to use MS Word, then okay lang. Then my second reminder is that the PDS must bear the signature of the employee and date of accomplishment at the bottom of every page. So, consists of 4 parts yung Excel natin. So, first, every page po doon, kailangan nating maglagay ng signature and date. Kasi nga, yun po ang madalas nakakaligtaan natin or nakakalimutan natin i-fill in doon. So, kaya ko po yan in-remind. So, first is, last is do not leave blank entries, put in if not applicable. So, yan. So, NA lang po tayo kapag hindi po applicable sa atin. Dapat don't leave blank entries doon sa Excel natin. Okay? So, this is the first part of our PDS. So, it must have a CS form number 212 revised 2017. So, before proceeding in filing out the PDS, it is very important as well to read the instruction carefully. And then, meron po tayong warning sa taas. So, sabi po doon, any misinterpretation made in the personal data sheet and the work experience shall cause the filing of administrative or criminal case against the person concerned. So, dapat guys, lahat ng sinasabi natin dito is totoo. Baka ma-background check po tayo. Okay? So, indicate in if not applicable and do not abbreviate. Okay? So, first part is the personal information. The second is family background. And the third section is the educational background. Okay? So, let's start. For my short name is De La Cruz. And you enter your first name, Juan. And your middle name, Santos. So, if you have name of extension, then put junior or senior. Then if in case you don't have, then just put in A. And date of birth, so it should be numeric format. So that is June 19, 1989. And citizenship, so Filipino. So if holder of a dual citizenship, please indicate the details dual by birth or naturalization or indicate the country. So, click lang po yung drop down guys. Merong list doon. So, place of birth. So, lagay na rin. So, that is Bajan or your complete place of birth. That is Saragossa, Bajan. Ayan po. So, for your sex, of course, male. Kung female kayo, then female din. So, for civil status, so single or widow, married or separated, or others. Okay? Check lang dyan. So, for residential address, so put the house or block or lot number. So, in this case, we have a lot number 16. And for the street, it is Colon Street. Ayan po. Kung anong street nyo, ilagay nyo din yun dyan. So, for subdivision, if you don't have a subdivision, then put in A. So, dapat wala po tayong malilib na blanks. Okay? So, for city, so obviously, Colon Street belong to Cebu City. Ayan po. Okay? For the province, so province of Cebu, of course. And zip code, 6,000. So let's proceed to permanent address. So lot number is 49 and street, unfortunately hindi siya applicable, so NA din. For the village, so if you have village or subdivision, so lagay niyo na rin dyan and indicate your barangay as well. So kung makikita nyo guys, NA kapag hindi applicable, so wala tayong nalilive na blank space. Okay? For zip code, in Bajan is 1610. This is sample only. And let's go to the height. It should be in meter. So that's 0.0254 is equivalent to 5.2 inches. For weight, we have 58. Blood type, lagay nyo rin dyan. For GSIS ID number, so 10-digit ito po ang sample natin. So for pag-ibig number, your pag-ibig number, ilagay nyo na rin dyan. So this is the formats. So 1, 2, 3, 4 hyphen, and then another 4 digit, then hyphen, then another 4. Okay? So let's go to your PhilHealth number. So in case wala pa kayong number, NA po yung ilagay nyo, tapos mag-process na po din po kayo. Okay? So for the format, so that's first 2 digit and 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 hyphen 9 digits and hyphen 1 or 1 digit. Okay, let's proceed to the SSS number. So this is the format. So first 2 numbers and hyphen and 7 digit numbers, then last is 1 digit. And let's go to the TIN number. So susundin lang po yung format dyan nakalagay guys. Okay, so for employee number refers to employee ID number in the current agency. Okay? So if you have telephone, so lagay nyo lang dyan. If NA, NA lang. And then your mobile number. And of course, indicate na rin po yung email address ninyo. Okay? So, ayan po, indicate nyo lang po yung email address. Then po, hindi po. So, let's go to the family background section. So, that is spouse surname. So, if you have, then fill in. In case wala pa kayong spouse, NA lang. So, meron pa akong sample dyan, NA, kapag walang spouse. So, name, extension, junior, senior. If wala, NA din. So, since NA yung spouse nating inilagay, so dapat wala din tayong children, di ba? Kasi nga wala tayong spouse. NA din ang date of birth. And then, the occupation, employer or business name, business address or telephone, NA din. So, let's go to the father's surname. So, yan po. Put your surname of your father, and then the last name of your father, and then the middle name of your father. So, beside on that, the name extension. So, if you have a name extension, so ilagay nyo rin din dyan. And let's go to your mother's maiden name. Okay. So for mother's maiden name, it is the name when she was single or before marriage. Okay? So for example, your mother's surname is Cruz, and first name is Linda, and her middle name is Malin. Ayan po. Take note guys ha, ito po ang palaging mali dito na yung mother's name is her maiden name ha. Meaning, apelyido ng pagdadalaga niya. Okay? So, date of birth of your father, lagay nyo rin dyan, and your mother's date of birth. So, it should be numeric format. The same in the date of birth. So, it must be month, day, and year. Okay? So, let's go to the educational background. So, this is the last section of the part 1 of our PDS. So, for elementary, write in full the name of your school, and then for basic education, degree or course, so for if you're graduated in elementary, so put primary education, then period of attendance, that is from and to. So kung kailan kayo nagsa-start at kailan kayo nag-i-end. If you graduated, so lagay nyo lang dyan, completed or graduated sa highest level of or units earned. So, for year graduated, so kung kailan kayo nag-graduate, for last section, which is the scholarship academic honors received, so lagay nyo lang dyan. So, in my case, so meron pa tayong class valedictorian. And for secondary, write the name of school. Do not abbreviate. And of course, if you finish, indicate high school. But if you are in the new curriculum, which is the K-12, so for junior high school, put junior high school, or for senior high school, put senior high school. Okay, so period of attendance is 2006 to 2009. So completed kapag nakatapos kayo. If not, so if not graduated in any level, indicate the highest grade, level, or units earned. So in my case, third year, so third year lang. And then hindi nag-graduate, so in A. And then no scholarship academic honors received, that is in A. So if you have a vocational course, din ilagay nyo na rin dyan. If wala, and then in A pa rin. Okay? Yan, in A lang. In case you have, so write the name of your school or kung saang institution kayo vocational or trade course. That is Mitsomi Incorporated for basic education, degree or course. So, kung ano yung course na kinuha nyo for my course. So, yan po, soldering training. Yan po. Ayan. And period of attendance, kung kailan kayo nagsa-start and kailan kayo nag-i-end. So, completed and then year graduated, 2010. So, wala po akong na-receive na academic honors or scholarship. So, that's NA. So, for college, so, the name of school is University of Cebu. So, ilagay niyo po kung anong school kayo gumagraduate. And then, kung anong course na ginagraduate niyo po. Okay? So, in my case, I graduated as Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. So, that is BSIT. Okay? So, period of attendance, that is 2010 to 2014. So, highest level, units earned, that is completed. And year graduated, that is 2014. And scholarship, so working scholar in E-Mall or Elizabeth Mall. So, no abbreviation po tayo, kaya ako po inilagay ng full name talaga. Kung saan, para naman mas madali po siyang i-identify. Okay ba yun? So, in my case, I also graduated as or earn a units from Cebu Technological University. So, that is professional teacher. Ayan. Period of attendance. So, kapag meron kayong units na na-earn, so ilagay nyo lang after college sections. So, for graduate studies, so wala po ako dito. So, hindi po ako nag-graduate studies. So, kung meron kayo, like nag-masteral kayo, then ilagay nyo na rin dyan. So, madali lang naman ang format. So, in my case, wala po ako sa NA siya. So, for signature and date, so ito po yung palaging nakakalimutan natin. Kasi nga, medyo nasa bottom part na siya. Nakakalimutan or nakakaligtaan. Yan po. So, paano nga ba insert ng signature? So, click lang nyo pong insert doon sa taas. Then, browse lang po kayo sa signature ninyo. Okay? So, dapat guys, meron po kayong nakasave sa computer ninyo na digital signature. Okay, para kung meron kayong gagawin online or magpa-process kayo ng papeles through online, and then madali lang po ninyong ma-insert yung signature ninyo. So, this is the signature. So, dalawa to. So, i-crop natin para naman hindi po magdoble yung signature natin. And then, kapag malaki yung signature ninyo, pwede nyo naman paliitin. So, kagaya ng ginagawa ko. So, ayan, insert nyo lang sa box na yan. And the date, so the date po kung kailan kayo nag-fill up ng PTS. So, in my case, nag-fill up po ako ng August 12, 2020. So, ayan, tapos na po tayo sa first part ng ating PDS. So, let's go to part 2. Kung kayong tanong or hindi naintindihan doon sa part 1 ng ating PDS, comment lang kayo below at sasagutin ko yan. And for part 2, 3, and 4 ng ating PDS, separate video po yan guys. So, ilalagay ko na lang po yung link doon sa description box for your reference. Okay? See you on the next vlog. Bye-bye!